Tonight, Vault of Civilizations enters one of the world's most secretive chocolate factories.
Behind these giant walls, millions of jars are produced using technology almost nobody has ever witnessed.
IDs confirmed. Proceed.
This is not just a food factory. This is industrial engineering operating at unbelievable scale.
La qualità è ottima, rimuoviamo solo i difetti. Scarico il terzo sacco, monitorate il flusso. Flusso regolare, la tavola è piena.
Inside this mega facility, precision machines control every ingredient with near-perfect accuracy. The heat, speed, and pressure inside this factory push both humans and machines to their limits.
What we discovered inside these giant tanks completely changed how we see Nutella forever.
This production line operates day and night without stopping for a single second. The final texture is engineered to perfection using some of the world's most advanced food technology.
Welcome to the world of civilization.
From raw hazelnuts to a global empire, this is the unbelievable industrial process behind Nutella.
The journey begins in massive hazelnut farms where premium nuts are harvested with extreme care. Every batch must travel hundreds of miles before reaching the factory. Thousands of tons of hazelnuts arrive here every single day.
Up 5 meters, tilt 45, release!
Here, raw hazelnuts rain down into these massive silos. The systems protect the ingredients 24/7 for perfect quality. The result is Nutella's signature taste.
Only the best hazelnuts are selected for production. Advanced cleaning systems ensure absolute purity before roasting begins. The roasting process unlocks the rich flavor hidden inside every nut. Human expertise remains critical even inside this automated mega factory. Cooling prevents overcooking and preserves the perfect taste.
Here, the hazelnuts transform. Their shells crack open at 165 degrees, revealing the golden kernel inside.
This stage alone
It's
requires
the precise temperature control that ensures perfect flavor.
the outer skins are carefully removed before grinding begins. Every movement inside this factory is controlled by synchronized automation. Now the transformation into creamy paste finally begins. Powerful grinders break down the nuts into silky texture. Temperature control is critical for preserving flavor and texture.
Opening valve from tank 2 to 3. Temperature holding at 44.8.
Massive quantities of sugar are added to balance the rich hazelnut flavor. Premium cocoa gives Nutella its iconic chocolate taste. The combination of ingredients creates the foundation of the world-famous spread.
Inside these giant tanks, science and food engineering combine perfectly. Observe the slow rotation of the giant blades. A vortex forms in the center, blending the ingredients perfectly.
The blending process can continue for hours to achieve perfect consistency.
Prendiamo il campione. Va bene. Osserviamo il flusso. È liscio, senza grumi. Perfetto, approvato.
Refining removes even the tiniest imperfections.
The final texture must feel perfectly smooth in every jar. This is the moment where flavor, texture, and engineering come together.
Factory hygiene standards here are incredibly strict. Thousands of gallons move through this facility every hour. The packaging operation is just as advanced as production itself.
This factory produces enough jars to supply stores across the globe.
Each jar is filled with exact measurements controlled by advanced computers. Nothing leaves this factory without passing multiple quality checks. Airtight sealing keeps the product fresh during global shipping. Thousands of labels are attached every minute.
These robotic arms pick and place jars into trays at an incredible speed. Look at this screen, it's packing 600 jars a minute. The speed of this automation is almost impossible to believe.
Every package is prepared for worldwide distribution. Heavy robotic systems handle the most demanding work inside the warehouse. Human coordination and machine power work together constantly.
Clear aisle, forklift approaching rack.
Millions of jars are stored here before global delivery.
Our drones scan thousands of pallets daily for real-time inventory.
This warehouse alone holds enough Nutella to feed entire cities.
Incredible.
Distribution begins before dawn every single day. The global supply chain operates with incredible precision. From this remote factory, Nutella reaches millions of homes.
We're inside the truck now, surrounded by 24 pallets of Nutella. And there's the highway disappearing behind us. The scale of this operation is truly breathtaking.
È la cosa migliore. Assolutamente, la mia preferita. Facciamo un brindisi con il pane. Sì, alla Nutella.
Roasting batch 4 complete. Technology keeps every part of this factory running smoothly. ETA on repair, 15 minutes. Constant maintenance is required to prevent shutdowns.
All good?
Every second inside this facility is carefully controlled. The world map tracks our global logistics. This feed shows the filling line in real time. Our engineer monitors the entire system. Automation allows the factory to operate at enormous scale.
Wall seals intact. Strap set 15500 kg. Tablet scan complete. All checks green.
Strict safety checks protect every shipment. From Europe, these products travel across oceans worldwide.
Container secured. Clear to close. Pre-flight checks complete. Ready for pushback.
Air freight delivers products rapidly to global markets.
Here on this massive dock, Nutella containers are prepared for global shipment. This crane lifts them onto the ship, part of a massive logistics operation. From here, they travel to reach families and supermarkets everywhere.
After this incredible journey, the product finally reaches customers.
Mom, look! The big one! I want the new one!
Millions of people enjoy Nutella every single morning. Even after production stops, the work continues. The Nutella empire operates around the clock.
This factory represents one of the greatest food production systems on Earth. The scale of operations here is immense. The welding process is a key part of maintenance.
Every day, this facility produces millions of jars for the world.
We did it! 1 million jars!
Science and precision control every stage of production.
Control to floor. All systems green. Speed ramping.
Machines handle speed, but people ensure perfection.
Here, the finished Nutella flows like a river, perfectly smooth and glossy at 42 degrees.
After witnessing every stage, the scale of
This river stretches 50 meters to the filling hall.
This non-stop system powers one of the world's most famous brands. Each jar represents engineering, labor, and massive industrial coordination.
The production never stops, and tomorrow it all begins again. Welcome to the Nutella factory. Helicopters overhead are part of the security. This glowing logo behind me symbolizes the brand's globalization, so an incredible journey behind every single jar.
From harvested hazelnuts to global supermarket shelves, this is the unbelievable industrial story of Nutella.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other contents. This video is informative only and doesn't present AI visuals as real footage.